Hey there, adrenaline junkies, this is Gordy, your daring virtual tour guide. Today we're veering off the beaten path and plunging into the raw intensity of America's most dangerous cities. These cities are soaked in history and culture, but their notorious reputations are not unfounded. We're about to expose the top most perilous cities in the USA and delve into their core. Strap in tight, this is going to be a wild ride. First on our radar is Detroit, a city that shows allure and grit. Once the powerhouse of America's auto industry, Detroit, Michigan, has seen it all, from prosperity to decline, innovation to desolation. The city's crime rate has skyrocketed due to economic downturn, but Detroit, like its iconic cars, is resilient. Today, amidst the struggle, you can spot signs of rejuvenation. Old buildings are being resurrected, communities are being re-energized, and the air is laced with a sense of hope. Detroit, a city of struggle and hope, is an urban phoenix rising from the ashes. Next, we turn to St. Louis, a city with a reputation as menacing as its towering Gateway Arch. Known for high crime rates, the city battles with socio-economic disparities. However, St. Louis is fighting back, striving to rewrite its narrative. While its dark side is real, its cultural scene is a testament to resilience and spirit. St. Louis, despite its challenges, pulses with a soulful rhythm all its own. As our journey continues, we find ourselves in Memphis, a city that harmonizes its rich musical history with its challenging crime rate. The city, like a blues song, tells a tale of struggle, but also of hope. Known for its high crime rates, Memphis is striving to improve safety, echoing the resilience we've seen in St. Louis. In the heart of the city, the sweet, mournful strains of the blues can be heard, a testament to its vibrant musical heritage. Memphis is the birthplace of blues, a genre born from hardship, and yet it celebrates life with every note. The city's musical landmarks like Beale Street and Graceland stand as monuments to its melodic legacy. And so, amidst the challenges, Memphis remains a city that sings its own tune, a city that, much like the blues it gave birth to, knows hardship, yet chooses to sing. Memphis, with its vibrant past and hopeful future, is a city that sings a symphony of blues and renewal. Our journey takes us next to Oakland, a city that's a paradox of beauty and struggle. Despite grappling with high crime rates and persistent socio-economic disparities, Oakland refuses to be defined by these challenges. It is a city that celebrates its rich cultural diversity and a thriving arts scene that gives it a vibrant, unmistakable identity. A stroll through Oakland reveals the city's heart, murals painted on city walls, music flowing from local venues, and the smell of international cuisines filling the air. And amidst the urban hustle, you'll find the stunning Lake Merritt, a serene oasis that serves as the city's crown jewel. The historic Fox Theatre, a testament to Oakland's resilience, stands tall, hosting performances that echo the city's cultural diversity. Oakland, with its colourful past and hopeful future, epitomizes the enduring spirit of the West Coast. It's a city that embodies the struggle, yet, like a phoenix, rises again and again, shining brightly against the Pacific backdrop. As we journey onward, finally, we arrive at Kansas City, a city that's a mix of charm and challenge. Known for its high crime rates, Kansas City is a city that has seen its fair share of hardships. But it's a city that refuses to be defined by them, instead focusing on efforts to improve safety and build a better future for its residents. Kansas City is also a city that's pulsating with culture. It's a city that gave birth to its own style of jazz, a smooth, melodic rhythm that's as rich and hearty as its famous barbecue. As you walk down the streets, the tantalizing smell of smoked meats wafting from local joints mingles with the soulful notes of jazz, creating an atmosphere that's uniquely Kansas City. Home to the world-renowned Nelson Atkins Museum of Art, Kansas City is more than just jazz and barbecue. The city is a hub for art lovers, boasting a collection that spans more than 5,000 years of history, from ancient to contemporary pieces. Kansas City, with its vibrant past and hopeful future, is a city that dances to its own rhythm. It's a city where charm and challenge exist in harmony, creating a melody that's as unique as the city itself. Moving on to Baltimore, a city of stark contrasts. Baltimore has witnessed its share of crime, but it's more than just statistics. The city is actively working to improve safety, and within its boundaries, you'll find a historic seaport, delicious food, and a thriving arts scene. The city that gained many mentions from the TV show The Wire, and for good reason. Crime and poverty have been serious issues for years. Baltimore, though, more recently has seen a boom in building and investments. Close to a number of large cities and Washington, D.C., a city that's much more than its past reputation, is a place where history and modernity collide. Finally, we arrive at Albuquerque, a city that's a paradox of beauty and struggle. Albuquerque has wrestled with high crime rates and a persistent drug problem, and being close to the border with Mexico. But beneath its rough exterior, it pulsates with rich Native American heritage and celebrates with the world-renowned Albuquerque International Balloon Fiesta. Albuquerque, with its colorful past and hopeful future, epitomizes the enduring spirit of the American Southwest. That concludes our whirlwind tour of some of the most dangerous cities in the USA. We dove deep into the raw side of Detroit, encountered the haunting darkness of St. Louis, unveiled the hidden face of Baltimore, and explored the untold tales of Albuquerque. But that's not all. We also experienced the vibrant rhythm of Memphis, admired the enduring spirit of Oakland, and took on the charming challenge of Kansas City. Each city, a world within itself, beckons the brave and the adventurous. Have you dared to set foot in any of these cities? Share your experiences below. And for those who are thrilled by this video, hit that subscribe button for more exhilarating adventures with me, Gordy.